Hello and welcome back to Michigan Hobby Hunter. I know it's been a long time, guys, but I'm back. I got better recording equipment, I have new editing skills, and I have a new hobby. I started collecting Stanley hand planes. I started with the Liberty Bell transitionals. I don't have one around me right now, but I got quite a few of those, and then I moved on to the cast iron ones, which we're talking about, and I'm going to be wrong on this, but there has to be 30 different types of Stanley hand planes, so there's a wide variety to collect. So already right there I'm hooked, you know. And the minor differences, it's really hard to tell an old one from a modern one unless you know what you're looking for. This one right here is a Stanley Sweetheart. All right, it's got it's from the Sweetheart era. It is a Type 13, number 7 joiner, so it's a longer one. There's only one longer one than this that Stanley makes in the iron ones. We're gonna pretty this up. So enjoy, guys. Let's get her tore apart and see what she's looking like underneath all this. All in all, she doesn't look too bad from being made from 1925 to 1928. The 80 grip belt, that's what I start off with. If it's clean all the way through, I'll move it up real quick. They're never clean. So, that's where we're at right now. This is about 2 hours into sanding. Quite a bit of work, guys. Quite a bit of work. Alright, so we touch the light right here. You can see some scratches, right? And you can see some deep ones, like right here. You can catch that. Come over to this side after I hit it, and it's still flat. Light bulb's still round. Doesn't get distorted, doesn't curve. Looking good. So we're good. So we have another one right there. It's pretty deep, and that concerns me. It's actually not that deep, but it's the deepest one on the bottom. I really worked hard to get that out. And this is after 80 grit. All the scratches are gone. But this is the first time I've ever removed the Japanning from a plane. So we'll just hit it with the brush. All right, there she is, guys. Looking beautiful. So we got about 95, 98% of the Japanning off. around the important parts, around Bailey and all that, you know, and then the flat areas. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna let this air dry for a minute. I'm gonna tape off right here, down here, and plug these holes with like Q-tips, and then we're gonna give her a good paint job. This is what I chose to use. Get a good brand, high performance. It's gonna be like this plane here, high performance. It's a high gloss black. Just hitting it with a little tack coat. Let's let this first coat sit. We're gonna put about 3-4 coats on it. This thing is gonna be protected very well. friends, let's put her back together. Some thicker shavings, it's doing all right with the thick stuff. You can get some finer shavings on here. And there we go, my friends. I'd like to thank you for watching Michigan Hobby Hunter. If you're interested in seeing more restorations or projects, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and you guys have a very blessed day. Thanks for watching. Peace.